Hello folks, Skip Stark Hollow Garage here. Put my hood pins in, my push button hood pins on the old 66 Tempest here. And I want to show you real quick. Just push the button. Oops. Come over here, push the button. And then reach under here, pull the hood. Reach under here. And there you go. Pretty cool stuff. I'll have to do a business card situation so you guys can have his number. All right, let's lift it up. And you put those in under there, across here. All right, and then your hood pin is that little ball. It kind of works like a air chuck. And he also sells, that's not focusing, is it? He also sells the ones to replace the small old style Zeus fasteners, you know, for your fiberglass pull-off hoods. Well, that's it, folks. Just wanted to share that with you. Hope everybody is having a good day out there.